Hey everyone, welcome. Welcome to our journey with you, for you. Today we're going to a city you might have heard of, you might not have. A city hidden like a secret treasure in the heart of Telangana. Yes, we're talking about Bhainsa. Bhainsa, it's not a name you'll see on every tourist pamphlet. It's not a place with fancy hotels and resorts. It's a place where you can feel history breathe, where you can see different cultures meet, and where the quiet streets whisper stories of India. So let's begin this journey to explore the beauty of Bhainsa. First things first, we need to know where Bhainsa is, right? Look, this is Telangana, here's Hyderabad, and right here in Nirmal district is this beautiful town Bhainsa. And see this border, that's Maharashtra. So in Bhainsa, you get a taste of both Telangana and Maharashtra's culture. How cool is that? And don't worry about getting there. There are good roads from Hyderabad to Bhainsa. Just take your car and go, no problem. By the way, Bhainsa's location made it historically important. Many trade routes passed through here, making it a major business centre. But today, we won't just talk about history. We'll also explore Bhainsa's culture, its diversity. So everyone, get ready because this journey is just beginning. Bhainsa, even the name sounds special, right? Like an old story. Nestled in the heart of India, this town is a living museum, a place where every corner whispers tales of yesteryears. And truly, Bhainsa has a rich and interesting history. From ancient times to the present day, it has been a witness to countless events and transformations. This city has seen many rulers. The Qutub Shahis, the Asaf Jahis, the Nizams, they all ruled here. Each dynasty brought its own culture, architecture and traditions, weaving a complex tapestry of influences, and each ruler left their mark on this city. The architectural marvels, the intricate carvings and the grand monuments all tell stories of a bygone era. If you walk through its streets, you'll see this history, the old buildings, the monuments, the narrow lanes and the bustling markets. Everything reminds you of a different era. It's like stepping back in time, where every stone has a story to tell. There was a time when Bhainsa was an important town under the Nizams. Trade flourished here and the markets were filled with goods from distant lands. And the city was known for its prosperity. But time changed, and with it the fortunes of Bhainsa ebbed and flowed. And new chapters were added to Bhainsa's story. The modern era brought new challenges and opportunities, blending the old with the new. Today, it's part of modern India, a town that embraces progress while cherishing its heritage, but it still holds its past close. The juxtaposition of old and new buildings is a testament to its enduring legacy. And this history isn't just in books. It's alive in the very fabric of the town. You can feel it in the air, in the stories of the people, and in the traditions that continue to thrive. Smell it in the earth. Bhainsa is not just a place, it's an experience, a journey through time. Friends, when we talk about any place, we need to know how people earn their living, right? Understanding the livelihood of a community gives us a deeper insight into their culture, their struggles and their triumphs. It's like peeking into the soul of the place. So in Bhainsa, the economy mainly depends on agriculture. The vast fields stretch out like a green carpet, and the farmers work tirelessly from dawn to dusk. Their dedication is the backbone of Bhainsa's economy. The people here are good-hearted, and the land is just as fertile. The bond between the farmers and their land is almost sacred. They nurture it with love and care, and in return it provides them with bountiful harvests. Cotton, maize, pulses, soybean, all these grow in abundance here. Each crop has its own season, and the farmers know exactly when to sow and when to reap. Their knowledge of the land is passed down through generations. And these crops aren't just sold in Bhainsa, they go to other cities too. The produce from Bhainsa feeds many mouths far and wide. The local markets buzz with activity as traders and buyers haggle over prices, so we can say that Bhainsa's business runs on agriculture. The rhythm of life here is in sync with the seasons and the cycles of planting and harvesting, but it's not just agriculture. There are small-scale industries too. These industries provide employment to many and add another layer to the economic fabric of Bhainsa. And of course, trade has always been a part of Bhainsa. The local markets are vibrant and full of life, with traders selling everything from fresh produce to handmade goods. It's a local centre for goods and services. People from nearby villages come here to buy and sell, making it a bustling hub of activity. Overall, Bhainsa's economy is stable And the people here are hardworking. Their resilience and determination are evident in every aspect of their daily lives. They earn for themselves and their families with their own hands. Every seed they plant, every product they make, is a testament to their hard work and dedication. And you can see this hard work on their faces. The lines on their faces tell stories of countless hours spent under the sun, of challenges faced and overcome. There's a different kind of joy, a different kind of satisfaction when you earn your own living, and the people of Bhainsa know this. Their smiles reflect a deep sense of pride and fulfillment that comes from their labor. Now let's talk about Bhainsa's culture. This city is a beautiful melting pot of different religions and cultures. It's a place where diversity is not just a word, but a way of life. The streets of Bhainsa are always bustling with people from various backgrounds, each contributing to the city's unique cultural tapestry. You'll find Hindus, Muslims, and people from many other communities here. They live together in harmony, sharing their traditions and customs with one another. This sense of unity is what makes Bhainsa truly special, and this diversity isn't just for show, it lives in the hearts of the people. The residents of Bhainsa take pride in their multicultural environment, and it shows in their daily interactions. You'll see every festival celebrated here, whether it's Diwali, Eid or Bonalu. Each festival is celebrated with equal enthusiasm and joy, bringing the community together in a vibrant display of unity, and every festival has its own charm. The decorations, the lights, the music and the food all add to the festive atmosphere, making each celebration a memorable experience. Streets are lit up, sweets are shared, and people celebrate together. The sense of community is palpable, and it's something that visitors to Bhainsa often remark upon. The brotherhood you'll see in Bhainsa is rare. People from different backgrounds come together, forming bonds that transcend cultural and religious differences. People care about each other's feelings, respect each other's traditions. This mutual respect is the cornerstone of Bhainsa's social fabric, and this is most visible in the food. The local markets are a culinary melting pot, offering a variety of dishes that reflect the city's diverse population. In Bhainsa, you'll find traditional Telangana dishes along with cuisines from other states. The food here is a testament to the city's inclusive nature, so if you're a foodie, Bhainsa is a paradise for you. The variety and authenticity of the food here are unmatched. You'll find everything here with authentic flavors. From street food to traditional dishes, Bhainsa offers a culinary experience that is as diverse as its people. Friends, life isn't always happy. Sometimes there are times when happiness turns to sorrow, and Bhainsa hasn't been spared. In recent years, there have been incidents that have shaken the city. Communal tensions have created distance between people. It's sad to see that where there was once so much love and brotherhood, now there's a wall of hate. But friends, we should never lose hope. Love is still alive in the hearts of Bhainsa's people, and this love will one day break down this wall of hate. Many people are working to bring peace and harmony here. They're working for community reconciliation, and it's our responsibility to support them because, friends, hate has never done anyone any good. Only love can change the world. So friends, let's say you've decided to visit Bhainsa. You might be wondering how to get there. Don't worry. Bhainsa is well connected. There are roads and the nearest railway stations aren't too far. Adilabad and Nirmal are both well connected to Bhainsa. And yes, you can also get direct buses from Hyderabad to Bhainsa. So overall, you won't have any trouble traveling. And once you reach Bhainsa, you'll easily find local transport. Autos, taxis, everything is available. So friends, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and head to Bhainsa. Believe me, you'll never forget this trip. And when you go there, say hello to the people there from me. Tell them Zakir Pai said that they all have big hearts and they are all one. Honestly, friends, Bhainsa isn't a place where you'll find crowds of tourist buses. It's not a place with fancy hotels and resorts. But if you're a traveler who wants to see something different, experience something unique, then Bhainsa is the perfect destination for you. Here, you'll see the beauty of rural India, vast green fields, calm lakes, and peaceful temples. You'll find all this in Bhainsa. You'll find a peace here that you might not find in big cities. You can get close to nature, reconnect with yourself. And for history lovers, Bhainsa is a treasure chest. You'll find ancient temples, mosques, and historical structures here. So if you're looking for an offbeat destination for your next vacation, definitely consider Bhainsa. Believe me, this trip won't disappoint you. So everyone, this was our short trip through the streets of Bhainsa. I hope you enjoyed it. Bhainsa is a city that captures your heart. Its simplicity, its diversity, and its rich history will mesmerize you. So, if you ever get a chance, definitely visit Bhainsa. And until then, like, share, and subscribe to our channel because we'll keep bringing you the beauty of such interesting places.